up the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, trailer tow group. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.